Hey everyone, in this video, we're gonna do some automation with email. Every day in the morning or anytime, you will get one email, like one motivational email that will motivate you every day. You just need to create an automation, and that is totally free of cost. So, I'm gonna show you how you can set up this. So, here we go. So, first search your app script. Now, open the developers.google.com and app script. Okay, this one. Make sure you need to log in and then click on Start Scripting. Click on the new script here. And now we need to write a simple code. So we all know that we have a AI, so we don't need to write a code. So I'm going to use here the DeepSeek. So I already have written here, like write a Google app script that will automatically send me a one motivational email daily. Okay. And that will give you the script. I will give you that script in the description. You can copy and paste it. Okay. Now let's copy this. Go to the app script that we created. Just use the Control A and just Control V. Done. Now we need to change the email. As you can see here, your email address. So I'm going to just change my email here like this. Just click on Untitled Project and just change that project to Daily Motivation Script. Done. And just click on Rename. You can add more codes or you can use the Gemini or some other tool to fetch a real time, the codes. Okay. So we're going to use here the static codes. Done. Now, we need to run this script automatically. Okay, so we have a script right now. Now, just first of all, we need to deploy it. Okay, so how we can do this? So click on the deploy option. You can see the new deployment. Click on this, and here you have the option of configuration. So click on the select type setting, and this is the web app. Just click on the web app. Now, description is like daily motivation, like this, and web app is like execute execute as that my email ID, who have access like myself, and just click on deploy. That's it. Now just wait some seconds. Now click on the authorize access, and you need to give access to your email ID. Make sure here just click on the advanced option and then click on the continue with this. Go to daily motivation script and then click on allow. You need to allow your email. Okay, that's it. And it's done. Now let's wait some second updating the development and it's done. And let's click on the done option. Cool. Now we have deployed our script. Now we need to use a trigger, means automation. How I will receive the daily motivation. So in the left side, you will find the option of triggers. Click on it. Now we need to create a trigger. Okay. Now click on in the bottom, you will see here the option of add trigger. Click on it. Now here you can see the choose the which function you want to run. So I'm going to just select the as it is, this one only. You can see the select the type of time based triggers. So hour timer, no. I'm going to say minute timer. Just click on it. Now you can see the option of day timer. So once you select the day timer and you can just select the time of the day is like selected 1 a.m. So every day 1 a.m. that will send you one email. Now I'm gonna do one thing here. I'm gonna just select the minute. Okay, not hour, minute. And every minute you can select and just click on save. And it's done. Now we can see there's a last turn is nothing right now. Error rate is nothing. Let's wait some seconds. Okay. And before like you can run, you can just test this also. So let me just test it. Okay, go to the overview of my script and you can see, oh, executed. One is executed. Let me just check my email here. Okay. As you can see, 0 minute ago, I received here. Good morning. Here your daily motivation. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. That's fantastic, and every minute I will receive that email. Now you can set this to every day. So you can set some motivation, you can set some task, you can do a lot of things with this script automation. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.